What's your name, where are you from, and how old are you?
I'm Daisy, I'm from Flintshire and I'm 16.
I'm Clara, I'm from Brecon and I'm 17.
Have you both been in National Youth Dance before?
No, this is my first year.
Same. I auditioned last year and didn't get in. I got into the Step Up programme and then I re-auditioned and got in. So, yeah.
How did you find Step Up?
I thought it was really helpful, because we split into two groups and it was really intensive and they really explained how to improve, and then we had feedback sessions in the evening, and just in the 2 sessions I did, I feel like I improved loads, and yeah, it was
Did you feel it prepared you for this?
Definitely, yeah.
Why did you audition, Daisy, for National Youth?
Teacher told me about it originally, and so I decided to go and check out what they've previously done in the years, and then saw the auditions and they came up to North Wales, so I went along.
Why did you feel like you wanted to do this?
I think I came to a point where I might be going to train in a few years' time, and I've got to make more decisions about what I want to do now. So I thought it might be a really good experience if I got in to see how it all works. And also, I wanted to try something new, something fresh in the summer before I went back to other dancing.
How about you? Why did you feel like this was something for you?
Well, my brother was in the company before, and I watched him do it, and I just thought it was amazing. And I did a few workshops with Errol, and I just really enjoyed it. And yeah, and then the Step Up thing made me definitely think, right, that's what I want to go and do in summer. So,
did your brother give you any advice?
He said it was going to be tough, and it was going to be long days, and which it is. Yeah. But it's definitely been enjoyable so far.
What's been your top moments so far?
I just think coming in and doing a class together with Errol, the way he teaches it, I think is really nice to have that opportunity. I don't know, I don't see it as one moment. I just think the whole general process has been really beneficial. So I've just loved that kind of attention you get, and on detail and technique. Really.
Yeah.
How about you, Clara?
Like she said, there's so many moments that are really amazing. I really enjoy class so much because he explains things in such a different way to anyone else, and I just kind of understand, and then I can improve on it. So
yeah, it's pretty different.
Yeah,
special.
Special.
What would you say to somebody thinking of auditioning for National Youth in the future?
I'd say go for it, because I didn't really know much about, before my audition, I didn't actually know at all about Errol or what it was about. I just it sounds really bad, I just kind of turned up, and then the second I started working with Errol, I was like, this is something really interesting and exciting. So if you're interested, don't feel like you have to know everything about it, just go and put yourself in it. That's what Errol's like, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just do it.
I would say the same. Just have a go at it. It's amazing, and if it's not for you, it's not the end of the world, is it? It's
so many other things.
Yeah, and I didn't get in the first year, and it's nothing to be downhearted about. Just go the next year. You've improved in that year, and they're so friendly. It's just it's so nice.
Would you say you're for the welfare team?
Hilarious. The welfare team are really nice because they basically let you be do what you want to do, but then they're always there. I don't know. It's just funny.
Yeah. They are hilarious.
Yeah.
A lot of them, and they are there if you need them.
Yeah, and give you a sense of reality, because you leave here and then you want to just chill out, and then they're just there having a bit of a laugh. It's oh yeah,
it's nice.
And what are you most looking forward to about production week next week?
Seeing the stage.
Yeah, it's going to be different doing it in a new space. Yeah. That's going to be really exciting. I just can't wait to do the dress run and all the costumes and just see how it feels on stage, because you can really project then, and it's
So when you're in the studio, you're just looking at a wall.
Yeah, you kind of feel a bit dizzy.
Stage is something else.
Yeah,
exciting.